So number 3 wants us to graph each system of constraints to find the vertices of the feasible region using GeoGebra or by hand. We're going to use something called Desmos. So go to Desmos on your computer, and what you're going to do is you're going to type in these 4 things into Desmos. X plus y is less than or greater than 12. So as you can see, I typed it into here. Now to get your greater than or equal to sign, you're going to click on this keyboard below, and there's your symbols. Make sure when you type in Desmos, you type in Desmos inequalities, okay? So after you type all 4 of these in, you're going to get a picture that looks like this. What you have to do is find where everything crosses. So I got to find where my black line, orange line, blue line, and red line are all in the same part of the graph. So if I click on this black one, it'll highlight black is everything up here. So I know that my points are not going to be down here. If I click on this blue one, I know it's going to be on this side of the graph. So I know it's got to be up and over in this first quadrant. If I click on orange, the orange intersects here, so I know it's got to be somewhere in this section because it's where blue and black meet. Then if I click on this red over here, it's here. So in this shape right here is what we're going to use. It's going to be the 4 points that we get. So if I click here, I have 3, 9. This point here will be 0, 3. This point here will be 0, 0. And this point here will be 12, 0. So these are the 4 points that we're going to use. 0, 0, 0, 3, 3, 9, and 12, 0. That's how you find your 4 points, because this is the section where all colors are at the same time. I can't pick over here because blue's not over here. I can't pick down here because black's not over here. I can only pick this section right here. So if I look on the back, it says the maximum for, and it gives me the equation. Again, we're going to use what we did earlier. So I'm going to have P equals 3 times some number plus 2 times some number. And I got to do it 4 times because I have 4 points that I'm using. And my last one, P equals 3 some number plus 2 some number. Okay? Now, the points that I'm using are 0, 0. So I'm going to go in my first one and put 0, 0. 0, 3, so 0, 3, 3, 9, 3, 9, and 12, 0, so 12, 0. Now I gotta see what each one equals. I gotta find the maximum value, so I'm gonna be looking for the maximum. So now if I have 3 times 0, that's 0, plus 2 times 0, which is just gonna be 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6, so 0 plus 6 is 6. 3 times 3 gives me 9, and 2 times 9 gives me 18. So 9 plus 18, that's going to give me 27. 3 times 12, that's going to give me 36, plus 2 times 0, which is 0, so I'm just going to have 36. So I'm going to look, and it says the maximum value of, well, I'm going to see what my highest value is. That's 36. So my maximum value of 36 at X, the point is 12, 0. Sorry, the point is 12, 0, where it's the highest. So at X equals 12 and Y equals 0. You're going to do the same thing for number 4. You're going to graph these 3 points on Desmos, get your vertice points, plug it into this value, except now you're going to find the minimum.